Hey people, this is the first time since the lockdown began that I'm recording a video in the afternoon instead of the morning, like normally by 7:30 in the morning is when I'm recording, but right now it's 1 in the afternoon and that's because today we are these days it's summer, right? So middle of the night we wake up and it's difficult to fall asleep. Then I do some Instagram work, and then today I woke up at around 7:30, and then I was watching this particular he's a YouTuber. He's called Aaron Doughty. It's a different sounding surname, and my god, he speaks about vibrations and about how you can change your reality just by altering, tweaking certain something in your mind. See, today I had a head bath and I'm like, but I missed out on, I should go and do yoga, 9 times yoga. But really, people, you all should check it out. It's called, he's Aaron Doughty, and he's a very young man and very it's really worth listening to his Instagram posts. I watch him there. So he's a new YouTuber. I think everyone should follow. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.